Welcome back. Here's a look at the best places to visit in Italy. Located in southern Europe, this boot-shaped country is one of the world's most popular travel destinations for a number of reasons that include art treasures, trendy fashion, stunning landscapes, passionate people and top-class cuisine. Before the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon not to miss any new videos. Number 1. Venice. One of the most beautiful destinations in Europe. Venice is a unique city that is built upon a lagoon surrounded by the Adriatic Sea. Located in northeastern Italy, Venice is an archipelago of 118 islands, all connected by hundreds of beautiful bridges and scenic canals of the canals. The Grand Canal is most famous and divides the city into two sections. Picturesque waterways and historic architecture make Venice one of the most romantic cities in the world. Venice is often crowded, but well worth visiting to see its magnificent landmarks like St. Mark's Square and Basilica Doge's Palace and Rialto Bridge. One of the most popular things to do is to take a gondola ride along one of its many canals. Many favorite Italian foods originated from here, such as pizza, spaghetti and parmigiana. These dishes are taken seriously in Naples and usually feature fresh locally grown ingredients, as it is nearby famous sites like the Bay of Naples and Pompeii. Naples presents an ideal base to stay while exploring the area. Number 2. Italian Lake District. The Italian Lake District stretches across northern Italy. The southern ends of most of the lakes are relatively flat, but the northern ends are mountainous, as the lakes reach deep into the Alps, popular with tourists for over 100 years. The Italian lakes combine good weather with attractive scenery. Garda is the largest lake and offers stunning scenery, especially in its mountainous northern stretches. Como is equally stunning with forested slopes rising directly from the water's edge. Further west, Machinery is less popular, yet just as beautiful, with several popular family resorts. Number 3. Pompeii. One of Italy's most visited tourist destinations, Pompeii is a famous Roman city which was buried under several feet of volcanic ash for nearly 1700 years after the cataclysmic eruption of Mount Vesuvius. Excavation of Pompeii began in 1748. And the site is yet to be totally unearthed. The site is located near the modern city of Naples. A tour of Pompeii offers a fascinating insight into the everyday life of the ancient Roman world. Visitors can also walk along the ancient streets to see the remains of bakeries, brothels and baths. Number 4. Rome, formerly the capital of the Roman Empire. Rome today is the government seat and capital city of Italy, located in the country's central region of Latino. Rome is a vast and complex city that is both historic and modern at the same time. That's known for housing ancient Roman structures, and the Vatican City. Rome has endured for more than 2,500 years as an important center for culture, power and religion. From ancient romantic plazas to stunning cathedrals and Renaissance architecture, there is so much to see and do in Rome that it could take months or even years to see it all. Number 5. Naples, one of the busiest metropolis cities in the country. Naples is the capital of the Campanian region in southern Italy. The city of Naples offers a treasure trove of artworks and historic sites, as well as a vibrant atmosphere of shops, restaurants and nightlife venues.